People often judge confidence before you even say a word. Your body language sends powerful signals. Here are 5 body language mistakes that can make you look insecure, and how to fix them. Mistake number 1, slouching. Poor posture can make you appear less confident. Mistake number 2, keeping your arms tightly crossed all the time. An open posture often appears more welcoming and engaged. Mistake number 3, avoiding eye contact completely. Comfortable eye contact helps show confidence and attention. You don't need to stare, just stay naturally engaged. Mistake number 4, constant fidgeting. It can make you appear nervous. Mistake number 5, checking your phone while someone is speaking. Giving your full attention shows confidence and respect. Confidence isn't just about what you say, it's also about how you carry yourself. Improve these small habits and people may see you as more confident before you even speak. Follow the Mindshift GLK for more psychology and self-improvement content.